Welcome back. In this particular study, we're going to look at how to count the number of participants in the study by their gender or by whatever. But for us, it's only going to be by gender. This is important because when you're setting up your demographic statistics, this can be very valuable in order for the people who are reading your study to get a picture of exactly who participated and who made up your study. So without wasting any further time, we're going to go right to Microsoft Excel. And we're looking at this research question right here. How many men and how many women participated in the study? This is what we want to know. In order to do this, we have to do a little bit of acrobatics in Microsoft Excel. So we're going to highlight the category on gender. This is what we're going to do. And what you want to do now is you want to copy, because you're going to paste this into a different place. Copy, click on sheet number 2, and then you want to paste it. So right click and then paste. All your information on gender is right here in one convenient place. Next, you want to click on sort, because you want all the ones at the top and the twos at the bottom. So we click on sort. You can see right here it's already organized by gender, then values, smallest to largest. So we do this, and then voila, you can see all the ones are at the top and the twos are at the bottom. Our journey is almost over. Now we need to do a little bit more work. Click on data analysis. So you make sure you have data highlighted, and then click on data analysis right here in the right hand side. Click on this, and we're going to do a histogram. Now for those of you who are very familiar with statistical analysis, a histogram is not appropriate because this is categorical data. It is not anything else. However, if you're able to separate the bars, which Microsoft Excel does for me automatically, it is no longer a histogram, but just a bar graph. So we click on OK, and we have to set up a range. So click on input range, go from the top all the way down. Click on bin, B1 to B3, and then click on F2 as our output. That's where I'm going to put the data table at. Click right there. Now, before we do this, I need to fix something. I forgot to put in my bin range. So right here in B2, we're going to put gender. We're going to put 1, 2. Now let me go back to data analysis. Everything is taken care of for the input range, A1 to A31. Everything is already taken care of for the bin. It's B1 to B3. And the bin is just how the graph will organize and count the data. That's all you need to know about that. So now we're going to click on OK. And you can see we have our little table already completed. Now, you remember from the coding that 1 represents males. So we're going to change this 1 here under the gender column and put male. And you can see that the name was automatically changed right here inside the graph. Female were 2, so we're going to put 2 here. And again, already inputted. The more, we don't need that. And as you can see, we have a nice, beautiful output table that tells us that we have 17 men, 13 women. I'll rename this. And there you have it. Now we have to answer our research question in sheet 1. So we go back to sheet 1, click right here. And the question was, how many men and women participated in the study? We put our answer, 17 and 13. That's it. A very, very simple analysis. We answered another research question. In the next part, we're going to look specifically at how to analyze a difference between means. Is there a difference in the test scores of men compared to women? Is there a difference in the anxiety between men and women? Those are the answers. Those are the questions we will answer in the next study. Thank you.